Fact number 1. Blue jeans are prohibited in North Korea. Fact number 2. There is no access to the World Wide Web or Wi-Fi. All the international websites are banned in the North Korea. Fact number 3. It is almost impossible to buy a car in North Korea. Those who own car are definitely very rich and powerful people. Fact number 4. You cannot call abroad with a local SIM card. Cell phones are not really rare in North Korea anymore. However, local citizens are not allowed to make calls abroad or even to a foreigner who is in North Korea. All local SIM cards allows calls only inside. Fact number 5. No Coca-Cola in the shops. Before 2015, there were only 2 countries in the world where Coca-Cola was banned. They are Cuba and North Korea. Fact number 6. International travel is impossible in North Korea. North Korean citizens cannot buy an international airplane ticket and fly to another country for vacation. Fact number 7. Foreigners are not allowed to take photos or even talk to local people without specific permission of North Korea. Fact number 8. Drinking alcohol. North Koreans can only drink on special holidays, and the students face interrogation if they are caught. Fact number 9. Driving. Citizens are banned from freely moving around their country. There is less than 1 car per 1,000 people in North Korea. Fact number 10. The 3-generation punishment rule. The 3-generation punishment rule is a horrifying. If one person commits a crime, his entire bloodline, include the grandparents, parents, and children, are sent to prison. Fact number 11. North Koreans can visit only 28 websites. North Korean citizens are only allowed to browse 28 websites on the internet. Fact number 12. In North Korea, only 28 hairstyles for men. Korean men can choose from a list of 28 hairstyles. Any hairstyles apart from the government approved hairstyle can lead to an arrest. Fact number 13. North Korea has no taxes. North Korea is one of the few countries in the world whose residents do not pay any taxes to the North Korean government. Fact number 14. It has only 3 TV channels. There are only 3 television channels to choose from, with all programs controlled by the government. Fact number 15. In North Korea, power cut every night. Now imagine that the state of North Koreans whose entire country goes dark at night. Fact number 16. Parents have to provide desks and chairs for their kids. Parents who send their kids to the school are required to provide their own desk and chairs.